So till now you understand so many items or so many tags in HTML. Today is my lecture of HTML. So hope you understand the lecture what in HTML. If you not understand, please comment me. I will teach you next lecture. So welcome to all my new lecture. That is with table. What is table and how much tags in under table? Today we will learn. Okay. So till now what we understand? Empty elements, paragraph, headings, list, image, and normal links. What is empty elements? Empty elements in the sense break. Break in the sense a empty element. No element is under this element. What is paragraph? Paragraph is P capital or small, no problem. It is not conscience. You under I hope you know that HTML is no case sensitive. So it is paragraph tag. Heading tag. Heading tag is H1 to H6. H means headings. Okay. List. List is three types. List is unordered list, order list, and list item. List item in the sense what is the item list is there and under list. Okay. And after that, why you understand what is image and how to create image with A brushes. That is called A. It is called links. Under links we create image. Okay. How to create image? By inserting image from your browser, from your folder and those things. So that is a simple HTML tag what I learned last lecture. This HTML tag, head tag, HTML title tag. Under title some title is there. It is called markup element. And under that body, what is the body? Under body, learning about elements. Break is the empty element. It is fun to write HTML is normal. What you want to write here. Okay. After that close the HTML and that's it. And after that what I learned, we learn input. Input in the sense when you make a form or make a username page or password page or registration page, login page, those things, that time we use form, and under form use label or input, both are used. Okay. So input tag specify input field where the user can enter data. The input element is the most important from element. Input elements can be displayed in several ways depending on the type of attribute what you want to add the from, that is needed about up to you. Okay. Like username, password, age, email, means check boxes, random boxes, and those things. And after that label. Label is the same like input, but it is not regularity. Label maximum user not use label, use input. So last lecture did not tell you what is label. So label is the normal form based one type of tag in HTML that is used to make a form in HTML, and this form label also used for make a registration page, login page. It is also simple, but when you make a future goal or future website, that time label is not work participant label. That time you use input. That's why I did not tell about label. So after that, today I start tables in HTML. So what is tables? Table in the sense, I think you know in when you make a C program, C++ program, that time you know what is tables. Collection of rows and columns. With HTML tables also same. HTML table allow app developer to arrange data into rows and columns. How much? How? By tr tag, th tag, td tag. Td means table data, t means table row, and th means table heading. Okay. And table is start from table tag and close also table tag. And HTML table may also some another option is caption, color, t head, t foot. Head means t header, t foot means t footer, t body means t body, and t means table. And how to write like that? I saw you after this lecture, after this slide, how to write in HTML. So what is the mean of basic mean of HTML? The TD elements are regular to left aligned, means that is TD, right? TD element always regularity by left aligned, and TH elements are bold and centered. TH means it is table heading. I think you are not understand now. When I make a example, that time you understand. And on this table I saw you I tell you how to design, like color changing, background changing, image changing, that I tell you. Okay. you also use CSS, but till now we are understand HTML. That's why we tell about what is HTML. And this is the basic HTML table. Okay, first I tell you the example, after tell you how to write. Okay, this basic HTML table. What is basic HTML table? Jill, one type of name is there, Jill, last name is Smith, age is 50. You saw that the first name is center, last name also center, age also center, but the table data is left aligned. Why? I tell you now. TD used for left aligned element. Jill, Eve, John, Smith, Jackson, Doe is the last name, that's the first name, and age is 50, 94, 80. Simple is HTML table is there. You first understand this output, then I will tell you what is the input. Okay, and that's also same. It's also a month is, I tell you that time, that is a month is table heading, right? And January is the table data, saving is the table heading, 100 is table data, like that. Table data is 100, February table data is 50. Okay, and monthly saving is the table heading of all the table. Okay, and that's is the you understand that this is H1, that is H4. Okay, and that's also same, but it is under when you make CSS or make some style, that time you look like that. It is a gray color, it's a gray color, it's a gray color, and company is the table heading, contact table heading, country is the table heading. Okay, so now we understand input. Okay, so you make now HTML page, you understand that. So make a control new, already I state, control save it on my folder what I start last day. Here my save what is when front end. Okay, make a tables. When you save first tables now, that time you save it by tables, use as, because it is table is always make some extra value, not only single value. Okay, tables dot html. Now HTML, the font. Last lecture one user tell me that font size is very slow, that's why. Now is a title is basic HTML, HTML table. Okay, under body make one center is better, make a center, under center tag make one h1 HTML table, HTML basic table format. Save it and run it. How to run? You say that it is working. Okay, so I want to change the color, BG color is red. Save it and run it. Just understand that it's red, color is red. Change also you like that brown or light sky. But light sky when you make now, because H1 also black size. So how to write? Changes color. Means any color. How to change the color? Like go to Google color picker. Okay, any color are there. So how to change here? By choose any color from here or here. It is okay. So how to change? Like has F59178. Copy here and paste here. Save it and you saw the changes. Okay. Now make a table. How to make a table? Like make a table format. Okay, under table make a so you type here style is width 100 pixel, okay, and height is 100 pixel. Okay, now refresh it. You saw the changes, but until now we not understand here. So border 1 pixel black, 1 pixel solid black. Okay, save it, run it. So the changes is 1 pixel solid black. Okay, so after that make a table row, because it is another row is there. This row save the only table heading. Okay, Control Shift key. Okay, this is another table. Save it and select first and refresh it. There is no changing. Okay, refresh it again, no changing. So I can make another row, table row. Okay, so make it GIL, then again table data. You saw that when I make one single table data, that is showing first name. Now make a table data is last name. Okay, it is Smith, SMITH. Now refresh it. What you saw, this last name is Smith, and now age. Okay, that is 60 or 50, anything what you want. Now refresh it. For the changes like that, same. Make another table row. Okay, copy from here is better to you. Delete the name and new name is there. EVE Jackson 9478, anything what you want. You can copy paste here. Okay, it is John GOHN. Okay, that is DOE. What you why I same like PDF, because for your understand I like same. Okay, and save it and refresh it. You saw the changes. Okay, now you understand what is table data. Okay, now I changes some border is 2 pixel. Changes is 2 pixel black. Okay, it is if you want to 5 pixel, you saw the changes is 5 pixel. Okay, so on this table how to make center. Okay, cut it here till now and paste it here. Okay, save it run it. And if you understand, for your understanding, I increase the font size. This is HTML basics table. That is the first name, last name, each same like what you told. Is Jill Smith and H. Okay, that is because it is first name is center, last name is center. That's why it is coming. If you understand like that same, so I write here. So for it is a basic HTML table. Okay, already I save it, so did not want to save again. So now next table, it is extra advanced table. Okay, so it is a next, this is a first example. Now I go to for example 2. Okay, cell that span 2 columns. Okay, so what is span? So Control N, save it first. Table HTML. Okay, save it and HTML. Not on want to title again. Not want to make a title, then delete the head. Okay, because it is a simple. Now we understand. It is H1. H1. H1 is cell that span columns. Okay, this H1. That's why I'll make H1. Then make a paragraph. Okay, this paragraph I use lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. Okay, then after that I will make table. So after refresh it, open in browser. Okay, then you saw that it is a lorem sum h1 h, it is paragraph. Okay, after that make a table. For making a table I will make it center. So you saw that it is center. Okay, so and I make this table on under center. Okay, so first make a table. What you want it, make a table here. Under this table make a table heading, or sorry, make a table row. Under this row make a table heading. Under this table make a name. Another one is, so after that name make a table is telephone. Okay, so I refresh it and save it and refresh it here. You saw the changes, name and telephone. Okay, after that make another row. Under this that table data. Okay, or table cell, you can say it is Bill Gates. And this table data man make Bill Gates. After that TD again. And under this table data, it is anything 5, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7. And table data, anything you can write, delete I. You saw that some mistake is there. What is mistake? Bill Gates, okay, no problem. Its name, under name, Bill Gates coming. But telephone, two telephone is coming. So how to make one telephone is there? By this call span, means column span, okay? COL, you save is what, how much? Is 2. You can saw that. This telephone is 2, okay? So after that, on this table tag, make a style, okay? This what is border, 1 pixel, solid black, okay? Then border collapse, border collapse is make some space, okay? This collapse, okay? Save it and run it. Now understand the changes, okay? Same like style border collapse, copy here under this table heading, paste it here. Copy from here till now. Okay, copy, after that copy, paste here, okay? After call span, make some style here, same like that, paste it here, and after that paste it here, paste it here, same like here, save it and refresh it. Now understand the changes. Name is Bill Gates, telephone is something, telephone is something, okay? So for your understanding, so why you make again and again same thing? That's why I style make, after that make heading here, after that make style tag here, okay? No use of CSS, without CSS style here. What I write here, like style border 1 collapse, copy from here, cut it and table, okay? We make table here, no classes, no ID, heading, table data, okay? What I copy, cut it here, paste it here, okay? And delete that. Again same from here, but here I call spin because 2 number is there, okay? If you want to write 3, write, no problem. Save it, okay? And what I write here, same like here, table THDT under this table, okay? You saw the changes is same, no changes is there, okay? Because no pixel, 1 pixel solid block, so same like that, no changes is there, okay? Save it and refresh it. You saw the changes, no changes is there, okay? If you want to increase the size, but same is there. Name is Bill Gates, telephone is 2 type of telephone is there. Till now I understand 2 or 3 example in table, but now we understand how to use caption in table. What is caption? Caption is the sense Caption tag defines a table caption. The caption tag must be inserted immediately after table tag. Means caption was one type of headings on the table. How to write now? I saw you. Okay. Take this example. Okay. This is center, no problem. Under center, make a caption. Okay. Caption in the sense one type of heading. Okay. It is you say form of users. Okay, save it, then run it. That is the form of user. Okay, after that, take caption, no changes there. Cut from here. Okay, after table tag, when you start table tag, means here use table tag. Okay, cut table tag here. Okay, make caption here. Form of, save it, then refresh it. Okay, you saw the changes. Form of user is one type of caption. After that, ev is the first name. I think I remove the name. Now I again start. You better understand. I will show again and again. I think you understand so much till now. If name short form, and again th is l name. Then again th, that is age. Okay, save it and refresh it here. So saw the changes. Form of user is the one type of heading or one type of caption in table. And then f name is that is the 2 f name, l name 2 l name, and age is 2 age. Okay, so that is the caption format. For your better understanding, I will show a very nice nice format. So how to make, delete all, or make a style tag here under heading tag, remove style.css, make a style tag under heading tag, then again table, th means table heading, or tt means table data. Okay, under table data you write border 1 pixel solid black, then again border collapse in the sense use some space, or border spacing you also use, no problem. Collapse, that is only write collapse. Okay, then save it and again refresh it. You saw the changes. Okay, form of user is the heading of the caption. Okay, that is the use of caption. If I increase the size, you understand so much. Sometimes sometimes some of the user want to want to a caption under the table. So how to make under the table? Go to the coding. Okay, when you make the caption, okay, right here style. Okay, then again caption side or caption side. Okay, then bottom bottom. Okay, then save it. Other changes now. Why? You saw the changes. Form of user is the under the table. Okay, so that is the use of caption. Caption use for heading, you and use for the table, bottom table, left side, right side. For your, till now I understand that bottom is work from is under the table. Okay, so this is the same case of bottom or caption. So I think you understand what is caption, how to use caption, how to change the styles, caption side or caption color. If you want to change the color, you change color here, your color like red, that's it. You saw the changes, the color is red, same like this is a caption. So till now we understand what is caption. Now we understand what is call group. Call group in the sense it is one type of tag in a table that specify a group of one or more columns in a table for same formatting. The call group tag is useful for applying styles to entire columns instead of repeating the styles for each cell or each row. So how to make, you saw the first example. The call group element. What is call group element? It is a one type of row, right? ISBN is a table heading, title is the table heading, and price also table heading. What you saw that tag specific group of one or more columns. What I said, it's means we saw that table heading one means table heading one and table heading two as same color. Call group used for changing the color is red. Okay, changing the color is red, and in the price you saw that the changing color is only yellow. So how to make useful for applying styles for entire columns. Okay, we use entire columns. Okay, so this column means title column, my first HTML, my first CSS is the one column, ISBN is the one column, and price is the one column. But in this row, but row is not same color. Why? For row is not used for table group. Okay, only column group we use tag in a table. Okay, that's why one column is same color, title also same color, price also same color. Now I understand with the example. What I write, make column group. Okay, make COLGROUP column group. Okay, after column group, okay, what I write, COL. Okay, COL. After call, span 2. Span in the sense space some space. Okay, span 2. So after span 2, make some style. For your understanding is better to you. For style tag, write background color. Okay, or background color. Background color. Background color. What is background color? Changing the background color is red. Okay, as it is what I saw is showing you as it is I write here. Okay, same is save here. So call span again, new call, that is for why, because we is changing the color. Call span. Okay, after call same right but not span 2 or span 3, only style tag, background color, BG color or BG color, background color is yellow. Okay, save it and remove one or same. Right here, right click here, open in browser, you saw the changes. If name is red, L name is red, age is 78, 18 is in yellow. Now I understand red is span 2, right? Span 1. Save it and refresh it. What we saw, L name is 1, F name is red, and age is same. That is the cases. What I saw you, same I write. Span means how many column, how many tables, how many row you want. That is use of span. If you write 3 means all column take it. Okay, because three column is there. Save it and refresh it. What I saw, all column is red. Okay, we want only 2 or 1. Okay, refresh it again. We saw the changes. Okay, use of color group. So till now we understand so many things in tables. Now I give you one assignment for you. I think you understand till now so many things. If you not understand, please comment me or ask me anything for next lecture. I will solve the your problem. Okay, so this assignment depend upon only table in HTML. Okay, so hope you interested to do this assignment. If you do this assignment, please send to my email address or tell me in comment box. Okay, that is your assignment, means make a table heading, table caption. How to make, I don't know, I already tell you how to make. How to change the color, for your understanding I already tell. Okay, uh, change the color 1 2 3 4, okay, and change the color column also, row also, okay. That's your exercise. Please do this assignment for your understand. If you are doing the assignment, I think you are better in HTML table, okay. So that's it. Thank you guys. See you in next lecture.